this video, I'm going to show how to download Gemma 3 from Ollama. Go to ollama.com, go to the top of the website, and find a Gemma 3. All right, now that we have found Gemma 3, and see there's 4 different sizes, and better read a little bit more about the Gemma 3 models. Gemma is a lightweight family of models from Google built on Gemini technology. And the Gemma 3 models are multimodal, and it can process text and images, feature a context window of 128,000 characters. Definitely a lot of information you can put into the prompt. It supports over 140 languages. It's available in 4 different sizes and give from 1 billion parameters to 27 billion parameter sizes, and they excel in tasks like question answering, summarization, and reasoning, while their compact design allow us to play it on our resource-limited devices. So me, for example, I use a laptop. I have a AMD chip. Definitely will help me run these local LLMs very quickly and efficiently in my apps. Let's look at the evaluation score for the Gemma 3. 27 billion parameter received a chatbot arena Evo score of 1,338, ranking second to the DeepSeek R1 that received a score of 1,363. So I'm getting close to the DeepSeek R1, but received a second place score. So get some of the benchmark results. You see in reasoning, logic, and code capabilities, the score goes up from the 1 billion to the 27 billion parameter. A little swag, the 1 billion parameter received a score of 62.3, where the 27 billion parameter received a score of 85.6. And see also the benchmark scores for the multilingual capabilities, multimodal capabilities. Definitely larger the parameter, the better the score. We're going to download the 12 billion parameter model or this video. So let's head over to our command prompt. We're going to type in Ollama, Emma, breathe, and then we're going to use the 12 billion parameters. We could see that's 8.1 gigabytes in size. We'll just give that a few minutes to download our local machine. All right, we can see it's done downloading on the remain of the files into our local machine. All right, there we go. We have Gemma 3 downloaded. Then close out of our damn prompt, open it back up, type in Ollama, run, Gemma 3, while going in parameter. Booting up. Right, now we're going to type in a message. We'll start with an easy one. Who are you? But responding on Gemma, a open weight AI assistant, large language model created by Gemma team at Google DeepMind. Here's a breakdown of what that means. AI assistant. We can see it's kind of using that chain of thought, breaking down the message. So this is awesome response. It's multi-language capability. Let's type in, what is hello in Spanish? Let's see how well it answered. Hello in Spanish can be several things depending on the context of a formality. Hola. This is the most common versatile way to say hello. Buenos dias. Good morning. Buenos tardes. Good afternoon. And buenos noches. Good evening. But if you want a general hello, hola is your best bet. Awesome response. Thank you for checking out this video. Test out Gemma 3 on Ollama.